Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we learning ABC and 1 2 3. Yellow color, black color, green color, red color, blue color, white color. So kids, now we coloring numbers and ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now we coloring numbers and ABC. Kids, first we using red color and we coloring A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Kids, again we using red color and now we draw B. B for ball. B for ball. Now we coloring B. B for ball. B for ball. Kids, now we using black color. Black color. Kids, now we coloring the letter of C. C for cat. C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog. D for dog. Kids, again we using black color. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg and we using white color. White color. Kids, now we coloring E. E for egg. E for egg. Now we coloring F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. Kids, now we using yellow color and draw G. G for goat. G. G for goat. G for goat. Kids, again we using yellow color and coloring H. H. H for hand. H for hand. H for hand. Kids, the next one is I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Kids, now we using blue color. I for ice cream. Again we using blue color, and now we are coloring the alphabet is J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. Kids, now we coloring K. K for kite. K for kite. Kids, now we using green color. Green color. K for kite. K for kite. Kids, the next letter is L. L for lion. L for lion. Again we using green color. Kids, the next one is M. M for moon. M for moon.
Moon.
Again we using red color. M for moon. M for moon. Kids, again we using red color and draw N. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. Kids, now we using black color. Kids, the next one is P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Kids, the next one is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Kids, now we again use white color. Kids, now we draw R. R for rice. R for rice. Kids, the next one is S. S for sister. S for sister. Kids, now we using yellow color. Kids, again we using yellow color and draw T. T for teacher. T for teacher. Kids, the next one is U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Now we using again blue color. Kids, the next one is V. V for vanilla. V for vanilla. Kids, the next one is W. W for wolf. W for wolf. Kids, now we using again green color. Green color. And we are draw W. W for wolf. Kids, the next one is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. And again we using X for X-ray. Kids, the next one is Y. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. Kids, now we using again red color. And now we are draw Y. The next one is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Kids, now we coloring numbers. Now we coloring 0. 0. Using color red. Using the color of red. The next one is 1. 1. Now we using black color. Kids, the next one is two. Again we using red color. Kids, the next one is three. Kids, now we using white color. The number is 3. Kids, the second one is 4 and using color of white. Kids, the next one is 5. We again use yellow color. The number is 5. Again we using yellow color, and the next number is 6. Kids, the next number is 7. Now we using again blue color. The next number is 8. Kids, the last number is 9, and the last color is red. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.